Hello class. We're going to read A Super Space Place together and do our lesson. So remembering that the first step in our strategies is to preview, we're going to look at the title of the text, and it's called A Super Space Place. And we notice that there is a picture of, it looks like a shuttle going up. Now that we have strategy number 3 is an actual read of the text. So if you'll follow along, I will read it. The International Space Station, ISS, was built by thousands of people from 16 countries. All these people were trying to find out if humans can one day live in space. Floating about 230 miles above Earth, the International Space Station was a giant building block project out in space. United States space shuttles and Russian rockets transported tools and pieces of the station into space to help finish building it. From the beginning of its construction in 1998 to its completion, more than 100 major pieces were assembled to create this amazing space station. It is the largest structure ever to float above Earth. The ISS is larger than a football field and weighs about 1 million pounds. Crews are trying to answer such questions as these. How does space travel affect germs? Does the body break down food and nutrients differently in space? Someday, the station may even serve as a launch pad for missions to other planets, such as Mars. Because of its size, the International Space Station needs a lot of power. This power comes from solar energy. To create solar energy, large panels are lined with special materials. These materials collect the sun's energy for power and change the sun's rays into electricity. So what did it cost to build such a structure? It cost over $150 billion. Although this may seem astronomical, it may be a small price to pay for a project that enables some of the world's finest scientists to work together, exploring space for the world's future. Oh, and look, I forgot the first question. Question number 2. Write C for cause and E for effect for each pair of sentences. So you guys will do. We're going to take a peek at the questions. They seem pretty straightforward. Let's read question number 1. Write a word from the story to match each definition. Then write, so word from the story, match each definition. Then write each numbered letter on the matching blank to fill this in. Okay, so we're going to figure out most requested food. Okay, question number 3. How does the International Space Station crew spend its time? How big is the International Space Station for 4? And 5 is why might $150 billion be a small price to pay for the International Space Station? 1 through 5 on your own and turn this in. Thank you.